Hey everybody and welcome back. In this video I'm going to be teaching you, or basically comparing two different softwares, Webflow versus Readymag, and we're going to be selecting which one is the best. So if you talk about Webflow, it already has a lot of popularity, a lot of people uses it. So if you talk about first of all the pricing, Readymag starts with a $15 plan, so it is already expensive than Webflow. It is $12. If we scroll a bit down, you can see we have SW score and breakdown. You can see the features. We have a lot more features in Readymag, of course, since it is really popular softwares nowadays out there. And if we talk about reviews, we have a lot more reviews for Webflow. Comparing to Readymag, we do not have that level of reviews for this, and that is because of its expensive pricing and lacking a few features. So you should keep that in your mind. Now, if we scroll down, you can see we have some awards for Webflow as well. We do have some for Readymag, but of course, Webflow takes the lead. And if we talk about organizations type supported, we have individual freelancers, large enterprises, and various other stuff, but some of them are lacking in Readymag. If you scroll down, you can see we have other options as well. Like for example, API support. We do have API support on both these platforms, and yeah, so you can also go through various other options and features to compare. But so far, I think Webflow is the winner for today, and you can also see the SW score, which is the SaaS worthy platform score, is going in the favor of Webflow. So you can choose Webflow if you want to compare both of these. I hope this is going to be helping you guys out. Thank you so much for watching.